Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm just gonna make a bicycle video, um, about about my track and stuff like that. Do a little lap around my little dirt bike track, and then a lap around my bicycle track. And I don't have the best mount, so I don't know if y'all are gonna like it that good, but I'm trying to keep the phone as stable as I can, and try to keep it pointed towards the track. Okay, but yeah, but first of all, we gotta get rid of these shoes, cuz we gotta get on these different shoes, and I'll get back with y'all when I get on some tennis shoes. Boom! And we're back with the new kicks. Well, not new kicks, but I haven't worn these in a long time. And we're back in business, baby. So, let me get y'all strapped up, and I'll catch y'all whenever I get on the bike. Shoo, doggy boys. Alright, let's get this baby rolling. This rolling a show cut. Get that kickstand down. I bet this stuff's gonna suck. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get me a chest strap, and quick too. Really quick. I'm going to regular track first. Alrighty. That was whole layout. I should give y'all a tour first of it. Here, let me give y'all a tour. Hold on. Let me get up here so I can. And I might give a little montage too. A little montage. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna give y'all a little montage. Keep y'all in action. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is what I dream. Now let me just do a montage of the dirt bike track up here. Now let's do it. There goes a sight from my soul. And boom, just like that, we're back in business. Yeah, it was tiring doing that montage, but hey, it's worth it for you guys. I mean, I don't even care. At least, I just want a couple people to know. I want to be a little YouTuber. I know I don't have a that big of a yard, but I mean, I'm trying to make the best of it. But here we go. Let's ride this baby. A little dirt bike track. Short turn. And you go up here. And you start getting it. Then you jump right here. And then the big old ruts. And then you keep on going. Yeah, keep on going, baby. Yeah, keep on going. Let's go. Cross the little bicycle track. Jump in here. And boom. Just like that. We're done. And I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.